Reservation for policies empowered women by providing them with opportunities to participate actively in politics and governance. This can lead increased confidence and leadership skill among women. So I am in the favor of the women reservation.
I am the against of women reservations because women reservations are not required for the women's reservations already started from 20 years ago. I justified 3 times decline the women reservations. I also against of the women reservation. Thanks.
Due to reservation, we start discriminating among men and women. But it is all about equality, capability of a woman and men. They both should get equal opportunity. Either it is a man or woman. So I am not in favor of women reservation.
At first, I want to ask a question. Those who are in the favor of women reservation, why women need reservation? Please give me answer.
I have an answer for this your questions. Well, women reservation take only the in political line. When I see a political line, women reservation is less contribute in our country.
Reservation is everywhere.
Women reservation, not reservation. Women reservation in political line. Only give a political line 1/3 reservation.
Okay, and you don't think in education sector?
No, no. Reservation is another thing and women reservation is another thing. Women reservation is only in a give a political line. So our 9th September.
Reservations is in all sectors.
Of course,
You are
in
not
all
the
sectors.
only political lines. Women reservations are required all sectors. This bill is already required.
I am not talking about the government.
Why are you to say that
In all
only
sector the reservation of
only
women is a
only for
problem.
political line?
When I see a Himachal Pradesh, every second voter in a female has elected a 67 men and only one woman.
Yes.
So what's your thoughts? This.
You said at the history of Himachal Pradesh. You said at the history of Himachal Pradesh. You can say that in Indian. You are also an Indians. Indians are women's are equality for the men's. I'm not justified. You the comparison compare that other state.
Himachal Pradesh is also in India.
I also agree.
Part of India.
Let him speak. He wants to tell something.
Samrat will says in the Himachal Pradesh. Yes. In past time, India not gives such type of freedom. Previous year. Previous year. Yes. Yes. In past time, India will not give such type of freedom to
Speak
women.
loudly, please. I am not listening to you. Speak loudly.
Oh, yes. I want to say that in past time, India will not give such type of freedom to women. Though, but now, women have equal rights as compared to men.
Yes.
So I don't think that women have a need
Of reservation.
of reservation. If he would ask something.
He very simply says, if everything is equal, if education is equal, the service of the government is equal, right is equal, equality and similarity in our country, why women need reservation? This is his question, very smart question here.
I have an answer for this.
Yes. First, close your computer, okay? Then speak. Yes.
In 1971, UNA request. I am celebrating a Women's Day in 1975. So he request to India, status of women, take a report status of women. Then Rajiv Gandhi make a committee and find the reports and say the report was clear till women are contribute in every lines, but in political lines women can't contribute. In previous elections only 14%, so that's why our governments and opposition leaders also support this reservations, women reservation, and take a 33% reservation.
You said at the 97 women reservations, women's days. You know that 81 first amendments. You say Rajiv Gandhi raised the women reservations for Indian women. This is not passed. He is declined. And last 5 years, last 5 years, raised these questions against in Supreme Courts. But further way, that's why she is declined.
I agree with you.
Don't agree with you. You are the
I don't get my answer.
Please give him
Why
the mic.
women need why women need reservation in this period of time of equality? In everything, women have right to do some. On this time, women have right to do. On this time, women have right to do everything according his mind या फिर freedom. Why women take reservation? Give me answer. I am not satisfied with your answer.
Sipping a cool